Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today it's fixing and flipping a lawnmower. So this mower's been used and abused. This is what is formerly the plastic cover. It's junk. I have this Troy-built plastic cover that goes to what is essentially the same Briggs & Stratton engine. So it fits in the same place. Looks really nice and neat. It's in a lot better shape that I pulled off another mower that I took to the junkyard. And I'm going to put this one on. Even though this is a Craftsman mower and this is a Troy-built cover, I don't really care. It's going to look nicer. It's going to help me fetch a couple more dollars, and I can get rid of this thing too. This is the condition of the air filter that came with it, so not the worst I've ever seen, but I need to clean it out. This is the condition of the pull starter. Needs to be replaced, or the string needs to be replaced at least. I did get it started on starting fluid, so I'm guaranteeing myself pretty much just going to need a carburetor cleaning like 90% of everything I work on. And probably one of the worst things about this mower is the blade underneath. That blade is in horrible shape. It's probably one of the worst blades I've ever seen. One last thing is it didn't come with a gas cap, and so I need a gas cap. I really wish I would have kept the one off the mower I took to the junkyard, so I am going to have to buy one, but that should be the only part that I actually have to spend any real money on. I'm thinking that I should be able to get about $80 for this lawnmower. That's about what I've been getting for push mowers these days. So the first thing I'm going to want to do for sure is just get this carburetor off and cleaned, just to make sure that it runs on its own fuel before I put any more money or time into it. So that's going to need a good cleaning. There it is. That's too bad that that gasket's no good. I've always wondered if I couldn't just use an O-ring as a gasket. So it doesn't look as bad inside as I thought it potentially could. I think we're just going to spray it out with some carb cleaner, kind of clean up some of the little parts and things here, and it'll probably be okay. So I think we got it all fairly clean. So I was able to go down to my local Ace Hardware and pick up a new bowl gasket. So there's some junk down in the tank that I need to clean out before I run it through the carb and cause issues in the carb. Got a new fuel cap as well. Alright, so check this out. This is the condition of the blade. I think it was what was contributing to all the shaking. It's still running pretty rough. Yeah, check that out. This blade has been beat to heck. So I started editing this video all the way up to the point to where basically I would have started talking about how much I made when I sold it, and I realized I hadn't captured any video of me starting it up. I started it up what I thought was 2 different times while recording, and apparently I didn't start the camera. At the end of this video got real choppy. I didn't show myself restringing the pull starter. I guess I just forgot to do that. But we got a new pull string on there. And then I did put the cover on, which I do think I captured that. And then I put a new blade on. I purposely didn't video that just because who cares? But, well, I guess I can show you real quick. Hopefully you can see it, but there is a brand new blade on there. Alright guys, so it's been a little over a week since I recorded that startup video, and I've finally gotten it sold. Here's just a little glimpse of the post that I made when selling it. I was messaged by maybe 3 or 4 people by the time it finally got sold. It did probably take about 2 weeks of being on Facebook Marketplace. I first put it up for $100, and then I knocked it down to 90, and then I ended up knocking it down to 80. And once I knocked it down to 80, I sold it for exactly what I was asking for, basically exactly what I expected to make off of it. And that was the $80. So yes, I did sell it for $80, but how much did I actually make? Because I did have to buy a few parts. The gas cap was something like $6, and then the gasket, the bull gasket, was something like, it was $4 and change, and the gas cap was $6 and change. After tax. I don't remember exactly what prices were on these things. Then the blade was also $20 plus some tax, so it ended up being like 21 something. Really what I spent all in all on this was just about $30, and so I made $50. $50 was my profit on this lawnmower. I probably didn't spend much more than an hour and a half on it. Let's just say I spent as much as 2 hours on this lawnmower, and so at 2 hours making $50, I made $25 an hour. This is just straight cash. We'll close this video up. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.